There are many products available to choose digital meat thermometer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best digital meat thermometer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Meter Plus with Bluetooth Repeater. The Meter Plus is our splurge option for home cooks who want a wireless meat thermometer that connects via an app. Once connected to the app, a step-by-step tutorial takes you through everything you need to start. Even though programming the meat thermometer was an interactive experience, we found it time-consuming due to the series of short videos they suggest you watch. You can't skip ahead. At first, we felt the app was more complex than needed, but it was actually effortless to use. The meter's design is different from most other thermometers on our list in that the probe-only meat thermometer has all the circuitry inside the probe, and it relays the information to the thermometer base, which in turn communicates to the app via Bluetooth. Number 2. Taylor Precision Products Digital Thermometer. Another wire-connected thermometer, the Taylor is our best budget pick because of its no-frills approach. All you have to do is set the time and temperature, no worrying about presets or extensive programming. We found it very easy to use and we're happy with the results. The display gives you real-time information showing the timer count, target temperature, and the probe's current temperature. We did have some concerns with the rubber casing on the probe, but our tests didn't show any signs of damage, even after multiple uses. The alarm notifications were loud enough to hear over the noise of a party and didn't let up until we manually shut off the alarm notification. If you're looking for a right-out-of-the-package thermometer with basic settings, this is for you. Number 3. Venigo Digital Meat and Food Thermometer. This thermometer is dirt cheap, but it nonetheless offers impressive performance and accuracy. We were especially impressed with its super bright backlight, which makes it readable under just about any condition. With the backlight off, however, the dark-colored screen background makes the LED display hard to read. Another convenient feature is that the thermometer turns on when you flip out the probe and off when you stow it away, so you don't have to worry about accidentally leaving the light on in the drawer and running down the battery. It also ships with an extra battery included, which means you've got a few years of temperature measuring all set. Number 4. Taylor Precision Products Thermocouple Thermometer. If you were a culinary school professor or a safety inspector at a food factory, this is the kind of thermometer you might use, but it is a great addition to any kitchen. It's a 2-in-1 thermometer, with a touchless infrared sensor to measure surface temperatures and a probe to measure interior temperatures. The Taylor has a slightly wider temperature range than similar models, going down to -67 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure frozen foods stay frozen, and all the way up to 626 degrees to check the temperature of, say, a pizza oven. The probe is 5 inches long, so you can reach deep into the middle of a roast, and it folds for safe storage. In our tests, the Taylor was perhaps the most accurate and fastest reading of the thermometers we tried out, always landing within 1 degree of the exact temperature, within a second or so. Number 5. Cuisinart CSG 200 Infrared and Folding Grilling Thermometer. Who doesn't love an inexpensive kitchen must-have? This thermometer performed much better in our lab than its price tag might indicate. It's really 2 thermometers in one, with an infrared mode that can read surface temperatures from a few inches away and a flip-out probe that can measure the interior temp of meats, sugar temp for candy making, or oil temp for deep frying. Either way, it reads extremely accurately and quickly, with a design that's compact and comfortable to hold but big enough that it won't get lost in the drawer. The screen has a backlight, but we found it easy to read even with the light turned off. The Cuisinart CSG 200 aced all our tests and blew us away. The only negative we found is that the screen doesn't rotate, which means it's upside down if you're using the thermometer with your left hand. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.